That will show the enthusiasm. That will show how interested you are to study this. Basic ideas will be more clear. For that necessary study material I provided to you. Planning also is given. And 2.1 and 2.2. It is also somewhat basic only. Simple things are there, but practice is a need. Don't take the things granted that you can understand or you can do it later on. Doing is a main thing now, and afterwards you have to apply that. And therefore, stepwise we are progressing. 2.1 and 2.2 of the syllabus is divided in that way. 2.3, for which the study material you are getting, few videos I posted already. 8 videos I have posted. Further 8 videos are likely to come. Probably up to 26th you will find those 8 videos. So that you will get study material for 2.3 also. And 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3 of the syllabus if you cover, then almost all questions in the examination, optional questions I am saying, you could able to answer. That we are going to confirm on 23rd. But don't go on only from exam point of view. Understanding applicability is very important. The Bloom's triangle says that first step of the learning is memorization, knowing the thing, and afterwards you have to apply the things. Creativity will tell how far you are the good learner. Yes, I think many of you have joined. 54 are there now joined. Have joined. Yeah, okay. Still many will come. Let us hope so. But it is better to continue. Now I want to ask you the questions. Do you have any question, any problem? Anywhere you feel that I should give weightage, I should discuss the thing. I want to know the view from you. Did you get the study material? Do you know how to access the study material? Do you know how to submit the assignment? About that, if any doubts are there, then you can. Yeah, please. You can put your query in the text box or unmute and talk. Yes, Saira. About assignment, what's the problem? Exactly what is the problem I could not get. I could understand the problem is about assignment. Means doing assignment is a problem or submitting assignment is a problem. If doing assignment is a problem, then I can't help because you have to do that. But for that, if any further clarification necessary for any question as such, I am here to give. Yes, Saira, can you elaborate exactly what you want? Okay, see, I explain the thing. On YouTube, for every video, means almost 18, 19 videos are there for your class. I ask the question. Coding also are given. One PDF file I provided to you. It is on the Google Classroom. So, Saira, what you do, you learn Google Classroom and see where that study material is. One PDF file is there. The complete sequence of the video is given. Only if you click on any video, A, B, C, D up to S, the numbering or coding is given. If you click, that video will open. If you go to that question, you will find. And you have to answer the question in comment box. And whatever answer you are giving and video name, at the beginning video name comes, or during discussion also at the top remains the video name. So your name, your answer and the video name should come in one clip. So you have to take a snapshot of that, and that snapshot means image. That image you have to upload as assignment. Means if you go in the classwork, no, then you will find assignment, and there you have to upload that. Only small file is there, that's a JPG or JPG file will be there. If you convert to PDF, they also will do PDF, JPG, any file you can want upload. You upload that, so it will come to me. I'll come to know about 33 students before 10 minutes. 33 students have attempted. For few assignments, I have given remark. I have given grading also. So you will come to know what grading is given to you. Those who committed mistake, I corrected them. I said them, okay, this is the correction you have to do in your answer, or you have submitted the wrong file. Likewise, I am giving the suggestion. You will get on your email the instructions, everything. So you learn that Google Classroom so that you will come to know how to submit the assignment. Saira, is answer provided to you clear? Sir, should we submit the assignment in their respective messages or code only? See, respective message, previously what I did at the beginning, I was giving the link. But in Google Classroom, that link is not highlighting. It is not very simple to search the link. Therefore, what I did coding. For each video, coding is given. For video A, answer for that video only you have to post. Don't post the answer of other videos. Sometimes it happens for few students. For video D, answer for the question of that video D. So what is video D? For that you have to go through that PDF file. Did you get that PDF file? That ABCD up to S coding is given. All videos are there covering 2.1 and 2.2 syllabus. Further, after few days, one more PDF file you will get covering syllabus of 2.3. Yes, did you get that PDF file? Then you will understand the thing. Saurabh, are you getting what I'm saying? Okay. Saira Chaugule, yes, did you get the answer? Okay, because Saira, you asked the question, therefore, yes, okay, fine, very good. The response is very important one. Okay, Saurabh question also is answered. So you go to the PDF. See, this is a first trial, no? Therefore, you are learning. For second, at least I want prompt responses from you. 30 is not a great number, no? How many students are there in classroom? 210 students are there. Yes. Any further question? I am interested to learn the question from you regarding molecular symmetry. Okay, good, Saurabh. Yes, for last 10 seconds I am waiting. Otherwise, I will go on asking questions. And you should answer. I will come to know how far you have
Sir,
studied.
sir, how to distinguish between asymmetric and dissymmetric?
Okay, who Mahadev is asking?
Last time about H2O2, you said that that is dissymmetric, means I couldn't get that. So please explain that.
Okay. Okay, in video also I made it clear, but no problem. Question is a proper one. I have to explain that. It's my duty. Asymmetric name itself says no symmetry. Means only and only identity as an operation possible. No other operation. Asymmetry. Dissymmetry means no symmetry with respect to particular operations, particular element of symmetry. Means low ordered symmetry. Disymmetric molecules remains with axis of symmetry, maybe improper axis also, but they do not remain with plane of symmetry, center of inversion. And about improper axis of rotation also up to particular level. Sorry, improper axis of rotation does not, sorry, only axis of symmetry does remain there. So CN category and DN category do come in the dissymmetry. Point groups of CN and DN do come in dissymmetry. So every asymmetric molecule is dissymmetric, low symmetry. But every dissymmetric molecule is not asymmetric, because it has some low level of symmetry. I repeat, asymmetric means no symmetry, only identity. And dissymmetric means only excess of symmetry will be there. So point group will be CN or DN. Dn means principal axis, order of principal axis is equal to number of subsidiary axes. That's a C2 axis. So that is dissymmetry. Example H2O2 or trans dichlorocyclopropane. Their symmetry or point group is C2. It is in CN category, means which operations are possible? Identity and only one, that is a C2 operation, is possible for that molecule. We can't say that molecule is asymmetric. Till now, what happens? Many students remains with dilemma because many have answered also that H2O2 is optically inactive because in their mind asymmetric molecules are optically active. It is true, asymmetric are optically active. In addition to them, these symmetric molecules also are optically active. And what is that dissymmetry? To explain that in video I had a discussion and give an example of H2O2. So now you have to come out from your previous aspects that only asymmetric. No, these symmetric molecules also are optically active. It is an additional thing you got now. This is an application of molecular symmetry you are learning now. Mahadev, are you getting this point?
Yes, sir. But about H2O2, that angle between the OH, one OH and one OH bond is so much difference is there, right? So they are not in plane. So that means it is having no symmetry limit. Symmetry means asymmetric,
Okay,
right? So
okay, you are understand. Okay, I am getting this point. This H2O2 how has symmetry? C2 symmetry is not clear to you. Okay, I tell to you. See, open notebook. Yes, a book is there, and you open the book. Means it has made some angle there towards one side. Here is a hydrogen, and at junction there are oxygen, and here is oxygen. Anyhow, you can understand a plane of oxygen hydrogen. This is a one plane where oxygen hydrogen. Students, can you able to pay the attention towards my demonstration that I am showing action or color background is the problem? Yes, Mahadev, could you get that?
yes, sir.
Yeah, what I'm saying, here there is a one plane of oxygen hydrogen, other plane of oxygen hydrogen. If any two plane remains and they are making some angle, then what can you do? You can take one line, you can take one axis which will bisect the angle between those two planes. A line passing between two oxygens and bisecting the angle of these two planes. Let plane be with making angle 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, or maybe 120 degree. Any angle it may be. Bisect the angle of those two planes and just rotate. You will find C2 symmetry. H2O2 is in that category. Mahadev, is the answer clear?
Sir, can you made like animation last time that you made?
Animation that, okay, I had to show that demo then because see, it is
Since
I
it is
think very clear.
difficult
For other
to make.
students, I am asking whatever I said, is it clear to you, students? Animation means now I show the demonstration. See, this is a book. Okay, book you could not see. Yes, can you see the book now? These two books are there. This yellow color, yes. Okay. Okay. Can you see this book now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It is a one plane. It is one plane of whom? Hydrogen, oxygen, and oxygen. I want to consider other plane. I mean, just I am rotating that. See, other plane where hydrogen. Okay. Okay. I think just I am rotating that. Hydrogen will come to this position. So there will be some angle. There will be some angle, and with that angle I can bisect. And if I rotate, no, I'll get a similar. So here I think that color reflections are not proper, so I could not show it very effectively. But if you work on that, but I also will try. Mahadev, you are given challenge, so I have to explain that somewhat more properly. So I will work on that and I will show, because to prepare that video or that to get proper video where rotation is there, I need to work for that. So next time, Mahadev, I will answer your question more promptly. Before that, I want to know from the others. Is it clear to you how C2 operation is possible for H2O2?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Who said? Gaurav, I think said. Okay. Further. Yes, I want answer from others also. How many? 70 students are here. Yeah, Nisha said yes. Clear,
Sir, I
clear.
have a question, sir.
Who? Arbaz? Yes, Arbaz.
Sir, how many
Before
CO2
that,
axes are present in benzene
Arbaz,
and BF3,
Arbaz,
sir?
just wait, Arbaz. Because Saurabh also asked the question, or Gaurav, because that question also will go no, during your chat. Gaurav asked the question, explore B2H6 and octatetraene. B2H6 and octatetraene. Okay, I come. Now, Arbaz, your question.
Sir, how many CO2 axes are present in benzene and BF3?
Okay, okay. See, benzene. Yes, can amongst here, who anybody can answer? How many C2 are there? Okay, how many carbons are there, Arbaz?
Taxis.
Sir,
Arbaz, how
three
many carbons are there in
C2H6.
benzene?
6 carbon, sir.
Yeah, how many pairs you will get? Opposite pairs, three. So
3,
Three
yes.
C2Xs.
yes, joining carbons, three C2 you will get,
Yes.
and bisecting those C2, you will get further three C2. Total six C2 are there for benzene.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah,
Actually, sir,
and for
I got 3 C2 actually, sir. That means
I said just now, no, by passing
yes,
through this two opposite carbon three plus
yes.
bisecting those C2s, subsidiary C2, C2 dash.
Okay, okay, okay.
While labeling also C2 and
Right.
subsidiary C2 access, we label as subsidiary C2, sub-subsidiary C2. That's a C2 dash.
Okay, okay, sir. And what about BF3, sir?
3. That BF, how many BF bonds are there? No, each bond is a 3. It's like a fan, no? BF3 molecule is like a fan. The blade of each fan is the C2 axis.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now I come to the question of Gaurav. Gaurav want to know about B2H6 molecule. See, B2H6 molecule, how it is the structure first should be clear to you. It undergoes, boron in B2H6 undergoes sp3 hybridization. Here there is a one boron and two hydrogens if I consider in this plane, one is towards your side, one is towards my side. Similarly, opposite boron. Hydrogens are in that plane only. One is towards you, one is towards me. And bridging hydrogens is this. This plane, if I consider, is perpendicular to the previous plane. I repeat, boron undergoes sp3 hybridization and two hydrogens are in this plane. Other two hydrogens are in a plane perpendicular to the previous plane. And bridged hydrogens are up and down, you can consider. So there, while considering the C2 axis, passing through the bridged hydrogens, and if I rotate by 180 degree, I'll get similar structure. Or line joining up to borons and rotate, then also I will get the C2 axis. So if B2H6 structure is clear, then the concept will be clear, Gaurav. Gaurav, now is it partly clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. About octatetraene, I think the question, yes, it is possible. Octatetraene, how S4 is the interesting molecule it is. I show you, just wait, let me see that molecule is there with me now or not. What Mahadev was asking, that let us see. Yes, in that way. Mahadev, now for octatetraene, I attempt to give you the good explanation. Same thing for hydrogen, that H2O2 can be covered in this structure. Yes, let me. Okay. Students, now what I'm doing, I am sharing the screen. Yes. And when I come to the screen at that time, what you are giving in the chat box, not what you are going to write, what feedback you are giving, I could not see that feedback. If you want to give feedback, you want to say anything, then you have to talk, unmute and talk. So I'm sharing the screen. Yes, can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is octatetraene molecule. It is octatetraene. See, very interesting molecule. Suppose if I consider this as carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 7. Sorry, 3, 4. 3 and 8. Sorry, 3 and 8 are opposite to each other. Likewise, 4 and 7 opposite to each other. 1 means I am considering right side towards opposite away from me. That's a 1 and 5 are opposite to us. So what is expected in the structure means what are the octatetraene is given to you. 1, 3, 5, 7 means if fluorine is there to this on this carbon, then second fluorine will be on third carbon. See, it is pointing downwards. This fluorine is upwards. This fluorine is downwards. It is towards our right side. Now, 5 upside and 7 downside. Yes, the pointer that I am showing and the structure, could you able to read?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I
Yes, sir.
repeat.
Yes, sir.
I repeat.
Yes, sir.
It is octatetra, an interesting molecule. I am considering it's a carbon number 1, 3, 5, and 7. Here hydrogen is upside, hydrogen is downside. It's not exactly upside, it's making some angle. 1 upside, 3 downside, 5 upside, 7 downside. Here it is, here hydrogens, but I could not get 1, 3, 5, 7. That's a tetra fluoro molecule. But you can understand that. Here fluorines are there at those carbons. Suppose if I rotate by 180 degree. See, I am doing rotation by 180 degree. This carbon number 1 will come to the position of carbon number, sorry, little bit problem. Yeah. Carbon number will come to the position of carbon number 7. Actually, not exactly the position of carbon number 7. It came upside. Carbon number 7 was downside. Yes, could you able to understand? I repeat. See, it is our structure, original structure. You can consider carbon number 1. Now I'm rotating it by 180 degree. See, the angle, okay. Carbon number 1 came above the position of carbon number 7. Now I have to reflect that. For reflection, which plane to consider? A plane not exactly passing through upper carbons, not exactly passing through lower 4 carbons. It is between them. So that what happens, this now carbon is upside, no, will come downside. It is after reflection. Only by rotation, I can't get the symmetry operation. That's a C2 rotation. Sorry, 90 degree, S4 rotation. I have to get it by rotation followed by reflection. Okay, mistakenly, I think I said that C2, no, 180 degree. I am rotating even 90 degree, not 20, 90 degree. Suppose if I rotate by 180 degree, then this carbon will come to this position, C2 axis. I am talking about C4. I am talking about S4 now more correctly. So this carbon will come above the carbon 7. So I am doing C rotation. It is not similar, but can be similar if I perform reflection. Therefore, I said for this molecule, S4 operation is possible. Yes, could you able to imagine now, or confusion is there? Or one more time I should try to explain. Yes, please unmute and talk.
Please explain it
Gaurav?
again.
Please explain, sir.
Yeah, I explain again. I explain again. See. So the rotation, let me see. Yes. Okay. The axis is properly to choose. No, with this mouse, it is difficult. Okay. Now, labeling somewhat I am changing so that it will be easy. Carbon number 1, I am considering this one. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, and carbon number 3. Only pay attention to this. Carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. If I rotate by 90 degree, before rotation, just I am asking to you, what do you think? Carbon number 1 will come at position of 3 or above the position of 3?
Above.
Yes, can you guess? Yes.
Above the
Yes.
position of 3.
Exactly. Good. Above the position of 3 means 90 degree rotation. means C4-1 operation is not our symmetry operation. What I have to do, I have to reflect it later on after rotation through a plane perpendicular to the axis. What is the axis? This axis. Up and down. I think mouse movement you are understanding. This is axis. I have to choose a mirror perpendicular to that. And that mirror will not pass through these carbons, will pass in between them, but perpendicular to the axis. So that what will happen, carbon which will come upside now, after reflection will come downside at the position of carbon number 3. I repeat, after rotation, carbon 1 will come above the position of carbon number 3, and after reflection, that carbon number 1 can meet the position of carbon number 3. Are you getting this point? Students, are you understanding? Yes, if no, then say no. I'm showing,
Yes,
of
sir.
course, I'm showing. Yeah, okay, partly clear. Mahadev said, other students, answer.
Sir, yes, understand, sir.
Understanding. Okay, now see, I am showing the demonstration. I'm rotating the molecule. I'm rotating it by 90 degrees. Okay, see, this carbon number 1, which was there previously, and here carbon number 3 was there downside. Now carbon number 1 came upside. Means C4 is not an operation. Afterwards, reflect that. After reflection I can't show now. You have to imagine that. After reflection, this will come to here. Means this, it will look like likewise. Carbon number 3 previously was there down. In this way, the original structure we can get. Therefore, we say for 1, 3, 5, 7, that's octatetraene. 1, 3, 5, 7 fluoro octatetraene, we get S4 operation. Arbaz, is it clear to you now? Or who has asked the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Gaurav, I think you asked the question about this. Now I come to our original screen. Yeah. Yes, Gaurav, answer clear now. So
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Now I help you. Every time I can't do the demonstration, what you can do now, you can visit this website, KM 3D Tube. Interesting website. Their 3D models are there. Few molecules animations are given. Means if you see the basic concepts for the basic idea making clear, I given about 20 videos, and their animations are shown. I got those animations. Means I work to edit that properly, but I can say I have to attribute them. I should thank the website developer. That's a KM 3D Tube. Website address, I think you will get here. Just wait. Yeah, I put this website address in our comment box. Let's see. This is the website address. You can visit. Interesting website it is. And further queries are there, we can have the discussion. So query is about the B2H6 molecule. Query was about the BF3 molecule. Query was about 1357 fluorotetraoctaene. I have answered the questions. Yes. Any other question? Because during chat box, if meanwhile anybody put the question no, and if I are not answered, unmute and talk. Otherwise, text again. Yeah, further question, last 5 seconds. If not, I am asking question.
Sir, in S2,
Yes, Madhav.
S2 as a symmetry element, S2,
Huh.
not C2. S2 must be there, right? C2.
Oh, no. S2 you are saying.
S2, yes. In
What?
S2, S2O2.
H2O2. S2 should be there. That is your view. No, it is not. Just work on that. No? S2 means what? Okay, simple thing. S2 means center of inversion. Suppose if I consider hydrogen at one place, and draw a line up to center of H2 molecule and extend the same line, I will not get other hydrogen simply because other hydrogen upside. This is not making. If it would have been planar, your misconfusion may be, Mahadev, that you are thinking H2O2 molecule is a planar. If it is a planar, no, then you are right. Center of inversion or S2 means it's like a trans dichloroethylene. It is not a planar molecule; it's a non-planar molecule. Therefore, I said notebook is making. Yeah.
It is not planar. I know that, sir. Plane of O and H are different, and one H is different.
Yeah. No, Harshal, there is no center of inversion H2O2 molecule. Mahadev is asking the same thing, same question Mahadev is asking. There is no center of inversion. Center of inversion means S2. Means what, Mahadev, you are saying S2 possible? No, it is not possible. So you can work with the model and then the concept will be the more clear.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, you work on that. Yes, any other question? Okay, then I ask you the question. Let us revise shortly the things. Half an hour went in our this discussion. Further, I want to revise the things and I want answer from you because you have no. First, I had given priority to you. If you have any question, now questions are not there. Now you have to answer my questions. Let me start with the first point, optical activity, because in examination, what you need to do, that also I will cover there. Which points to be what covered? Optical activity is not observed if there exists plane of symmetry, if there exists center of inversion. And new thing I told to you, which is a giant operation. With the help of that, you can say direct optical activity is not there. What is that giant operation? What is that big operation? What is that improper operation? That's the importance of molecular symmetry. What is that operation? Or what is that element? Other than center of inversion, other than plane, what is that? Which giant operation, if exists, optical activity is not? Exactly, Harshal. Harshal, right. I want further two answers at least.
Improper axis of rotation.
Exactly, Gaurav. Further, one more answer at least. Only two students are answering. Is my question clear to you? My question is, plane of symmetry will remain present, then activity is not there. If center of inversion remain present, optical activity not there. Then what is other element or other operation if remain present, then also optical activity not there? What is that? That's my question. Harshal and Gaurav already answered. I want the same as from at least one student. Means I'm expecting out of 67, at least 3 should answer. Yes, what is the answer? What is that giant operation? What is that giant element?
Proper axis of symmetry.
Yes,
Rotor
improper axis of symmetry, and S2 means center of inversion. Any other improper axis of rotation remain present, then we can say molecule will be optically inactive. So that is the additional point you have to mention there during explaining the optical activity. Then you can talk about asymmetry. Asymmetric molecule means no symmetry. Example you can give. Dissymmetry means low order symmetry or only excess of symmetry remain present. So cyclic and diagonal point group are possible, and you have to give the example. And their optical activity concept will be the more clear. There you can talk about S4 also, 1357 tetrafluoro octatetraene. Their concept will be the more clear, means optical activity where is not there. So such examples you can give, and with that complete video is descriptive where optical activity can be covered. I found that in your question paper, out of 2 questions, optical activity and dipole moment, one generally do come. So therefore, is the optical activity concept clear to you? Just answer. If yes, then mention yes. Otherwise, say no. At least now I want answers. If not, you have to go through the video. Okay, one answer. Yeah, go on answering. Meanwhile, I go to next point. Dipole moment. Dipole moment can be restricted by means of symmetry operations. If few symmetry elements do remain present, then dipole moment will not be there. I don't go in detail to all, but just simply I asked you, if center of inversion remain present, what do you expect? will there be dipole moment?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good.
No, sir.
Good.
No, sir.
Center of inversion.
No, sir.
Yes, good, good. If plane of symmetry remain present, then only plane of symmetry means identity certainly will be there. If only plane of symmetry remain present, then will there be dipole moment?
In case of horizontal plane, there is no dipole moment.
Yeah, okay, but my question was, Gaurav, only plane of symmetry. When you say horizontal plane you can define it as axis. During my question, there was no any axis. Horizontal plane will exist if axis remain. My question was only simple plane. CS is a point group. If only plane remain present, then dipole moment will be there or not? That's my question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ketki answered. One answer. Students, you need to study means you took it so easily. In that video clear cut, Gaurav said very clearly, it is right, he is right. I am talking about only plane of symmetry. If only plane of symmetry remain present, then what is the situation? Example also given. As a
There
mono
is no dipole moment. Dipole moment is present.
dipole moment will be there. Yes. Other one more answer I want. Last answer. Be fast.
Yes, sir. Present.
Yes. Very good.
Dipole moment is present.
Yes. Monochloroethylene or chlorine
Yes.
substitute ethylene. Monosubstituted. That's a good example. Dipole moment will be there, but direction will depend on substitute. Yes, exactly. Now you are getting answers. You are giving answers. Yes. Okay. So dipole moment, where restrictions are there, which systems will be with the dipole moment, what will be the direction. Suppose C and V is a point group, then dipole moment will be there, but direction we can't not predict. So such things, or at least 5 or 6 points I had given to you. You have to jot down, you have to prepare the notes, and you can what the answer in the examination. When question comes for 3 to 4 marks, means I am not asking only to prepare an exam point of view, but it is important. So optical activity and dipole moment, it is the part, that's the beginning part. And one more point is there, that's a systematic procedure of classification of point group. The flowchart is given, some hint also is given to assign a point group. Examples also are given. Go through that. If problems are coming, you cannot ask. So next lecture, even if you ask the question, then also I am here to solve the queries. So those 3 points are very important, and those can give the 3 marks. That's a preparation of 3 marks or the 4 marks. Is that 2.1 syllabus clear? Sorry. Please answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that
Yes,
2.1 syllabus clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can chat also, in chat box also you can mention. Yes, okay, okay, okay. Now messages are coming. Somewhat network problem. Okay, only 3 messages, 4 messages. Okay, fine. Go on answering. 2.1. Okay. Now further 4 marks preparation or maybe 7 marks preparation will be possible by 2.2. Now what is there in 2.2? First, group. What is group? 4 essential conditions of the group. Now unmute and talk. First condition.
Closure.
Right, closure. Multiplication between two should be the part of the group. Exactly. Second condition.
Identity.
Associativity.
Trivial operation. It should be in such a way A into E is equal to E into A. Yes. Third condition.
Associative
Associativity.
Yes.
Associativity.
AB into C is equal to A into BC. Exactly. Fourth condition.
Inverse.
Fourth condition. Last condition.
Inversion.
Inversion. Inversion.
Inverse.
operation.
Yes, A inverse. Yes.
Inversion operation.
Inverse. A inverse into A is equal to E. So with condition, with mathematical logic, you have to explain. And with example, when we will consider multiplication table, then the concept will be clear. So whatever the point groups we are studying, no, all are groups. Therefore, we are saying point groups, gathering, collection, mathematics is involved in that. So if question comes on the group, then these 4 essential conditions and examples we can give. Then group remains with the order. Group has a subgroups also. Subgroup is a part of group only. But order of the subgroup can divide the order of the main group. Example. Now I am asking question to listen carefully. I want answer. C2V point group has how many subgroups?
Four.
Sir, any no
4.
4 subgroup.
Gaurav, good. Gaurav, what you are saying?
4.
Somebody said no, any something was saying, no? If any doubts are there, you can ask. Right, 4. Which are those? One is identity only. Then C2.
Identity.
Then yes. Then CS.
Sigma.
I was talking about that. CS. It's only plane of symmetry when present. Identity is plane.
Sigma.
And CS dash. So 4 are the subgroups for. We shall not do. Oh, we shall no. Or somewhere we should. You go through video. Concept will be clear. Rutik said properly. Minister said 4. 4 is the correct answer. For a C3V point group, which are the subgroups?
3 point group.
For C3V point group, which are the subgroups? How many subgroups are there? Number only tell me now.
3.
3.
sir.
No.
5.
3 are the classes. 3 are the classes.
5.
3 are the classes.
6.
5.
Gaurav is right. Gaurav is right. Only Gaurav is right. 6 are the number of operations. Number of operation means order of the group is different. Number of classes is different. And subgroup different. Go through the video. You will get the clear cut. I had given there. There are the 5 subgroups. D3H point group has how many subgroup? D3H. In video is given, therefore I am asking question. I had given information to you, therefore I am asking
12.
question. Oh, Jabin, right.
12,
Excellent. Gaurav,
12.
right. One more answer.
12.
One more answer I want. Yes, 12 are there. Till now in examination, they ask C2V or C3V. Let them ask D3H also, no problem. So 3 or 4 marks question comes only, means what is subgroup definition plus all conditions. An example also you can give. And I had given descriptively what are the point groups. Don't say only number, which are there actually subgroup point groups. That also you have to answer there. So that is a subgroup preparation. Afterwards, the concept is of the class. C3 point group, we are saying, no, 3 are there. What are those 3 classes are there? Class constitute. Now answer for my question. Class is a collection of elements. Elements, or you can consider operations, which are dash to each other.
Conjugate.
Very good, Mahadev.
Conjugate.
Conjugate to each other.
Exactly, conjugate to each other. Conjugate operations are obtained by dash. One mathematical operation.
X inverse AX is equal to
X
B.
inverse A, X is equal to B.
What is the name? What is the name for that?
Commutative operation.
Commutative law.
No,
Commutative. Commutative.
no commutative.
Similarity operation.
Exactly, Gaurav.
Similarity transform.
Transformation.
Similarity transform.
Yes. Now you are right. You are right. So
Yes.
what is in the
Similarity
class?
transform.
How it can be obtained, and with example for water molecule, I work different operations you can show, and you can prove 4 classes are there. You can work that Gaurav said, no, X inverse A into X is equal to B, means B is a similarity transform of A via or through X. So what is that similarity transformation and its application? You will learn. So excellency, I'm very happy to know at least 20 students are here. They are active. Brilliant. So means you have studied and keep in continuation. I'm sure that you will score good in the examination also. So classes in the C2 you can find out. C3 also classes, very operation. It doesn't mean every class, every multiplication you have to show. Few sample you have to show, and with the help of multiplication table you can understand that these are what the classes. But derivation, identity is a class of one member. Order of class also has order. That we can say as small g also. Different symbols can be used. In case of C3 point group, C31 and C32, these 2 are in one class. Order is 2. Sigma, sigma dash, and sigma double dash. These 3 vertical planes are in one class. So order of that class is 3. So read that, learn that concept of the class. So if question comes, you can what the answer. So in syllabus is there, we have covered that point properly. We have covered. Then point is multiplication table. How to obtain the multiplication table? C2 point group, that's a 4 by 4 and it's a easy. C3 point group also is easy, but you have to show there, you have to construct that. Question comes, construct the multiplication table. C2V or C3V. How many marks? 4 marks. Somewhat lengthy answer is there, but only for diagram more space will be used. No, concept is clear, then it will be easy for you. You can apply that. Okay, so multiplication table you can derive, and during multiplication table, I considered anti-clockwise rotation because mathematical principle that I am following. If you go through the Veera Reddy's book, Veera Reddy book is following the other kind of the notation. But answer that I achieved, that I found, and Veera Reddy's book, you will find the same. Reason is, see what has happened. I am considering anti-clockwise rotation, and for labeling the plane, also I consider anti-clockwise. They have considered clockwise, and because of that, the anyhow answers are coming the same. And answers are coming the same. Multiplication table is coming same, but understanding of Veera Reddy's book also is different one. What Veera Reddy book considers the element from the row and then element from the column. Few authors are there to follow, but majority conventional way, what I'm saying, those who studied mathematics, they will understand. Even you are going to study matrices, you will understand. You write first that's the left, that's a column. You can say from row how many comes, no? It's from column which of the element is there, and then from the row. So this, from your point of view, the operation here multiplied by operation in the row. That is a proper way of the multiplication, and that I am following. Don't worry about that. So convention we have to make clear at the beginning only, how we are rotating. So different answers will be there, but if our conventions are different, if conventions are same, answers will be the same. So multiplication table derivation. Now I am not going to show, but it is because it is clearly given there. Further, if doubts are there, you can ask. Therefore, for a multiplication table, separate videos are prepared. All elements are discovered. Doesn't mean only you have to work there. My expectation was you have to work to derive the multiplication table. So students, I am asking question to you. Is the concept of multiplication table clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 7. 7 students are replying. 8, 9, 10. At least one more. Yes, okay. Okay, go on replying. Multiplication table. And our question is possible on that. Then last point is there in that 2.2. That is abelian and non-abelian point groups. Means actually those are groups. But additional condition, I want answer from you. What or which additional condition is fulfilled by abelian group?
Commutativity.
Yes. Now you are right. Yes, commutativity is an additional condition. And for any multiplication, means in closure, what you are considering multiplication, their commutativity should be fulfilled. Then that group is abelian group. I want example from it. Give example of abelian point group.
C2V.
C2V.
Yes,
C2V.
C2V, D2H, or all cyclic operations, cyclic groups are there, no, CN groups are there. All cyclic groups also are the abelian group. Okay. In a non-abelian point group, commutativity is not fulfilled. But surprisingly, you will find few where commutativity is fulfilled. For example, if we consider ammonia molecule, C3 point group, C31 and C32, and C32 and C31. Answer is same. Multiplication I am saying. It doesn't mean it is abelian group. All operations that commutativity should be fulfilled, then only it is what the abelian group. So C3V is an example of non-abelian point group. That question comes abelian point group or non-abelian point group. Again, the question comes for the 4 marks. So here the 4 marks question possible on the class, means subgroup. So not class also possible, subgroup also possible, group also possible, but I found at least question on the subgroup. Subgroup is the part of the group only, and abelian and the non-abelian group. For multiplication table also questions are coming. So 4 marks question plus 1 more question on this also possible. Therefore 7 marks may come. And on optical activity and the dipole moment, 3 marks question generally do come. Whatever I am saying, therefore we are not to believe. We have to go through the question paper. Then you will come to know. So only this much preparation can give you 7 to 10 marks. It depends on how many questions are coming. But each and every point is, I have covered each and every point of the syllabus, 2.1 and 2.2. Means that was my main objective today, that 2.1 and 2.2 should be covered. Means what has happened? In last few minutes, I covered 2.1 and 2.2. Actually, you have worked before. If you have worked before, then whatever I discuss now, you have grasped it very clearly, very perfectly. Therefore, I was emphasizing work, study, complete the assignment, don't take them granted. Yes, so I'm asking question to students. 2.1 and 2.2. Do you think the syllabus is covered? Do you understood the things in the syllabus? Yes or no? Answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
2. You can give the message in the chat box also. Yes. Okay, good. Yes, sir, but something came. It's a very fast. Vishal, very fast means discussion is very fast. See, discussion is very fast because you might have not seen the video, therefore you are finding it is very fast. If you have went, Vishal, do you went through videos? Have you seen the videos? Vishal, I'm asking question to you. Okay. So then where is the problem? What is not clear? See, in video those things are clear. There you have to spend the time, no? Still, if the time you need, then you can work for that. Maybe up to next 15 days, means up to 8th of February, complete that. Yes, Harshal, notes also you can get. There's no problem. You'll get. I'll share that. But don't go on complete notes. Few rough notes are there. Rough notes are there. I share to you. No problem. Today, on this Google Classroom, I share the rough notes. You will get them. You will get the ideas about that. And videos themselves are clear-cut explanatory. That much effort, at least you should do, no? To jot down the things, to jot down the points. I'll give the notes. Okay, Vishal, what is the problem? Okay. Any problems are there, you can ask. Vishal, what do you exactly expect? Because I want, no, because at each and every student should understand. I'm not oriented only for the few students. My objective is that every student should score the good marks. So Vishal, what do you expect from you? Fast means slow means on which point should I go slow? Okay, concept is clear but jumbled. It happens. Don't worry about that. Yeah, it is a problem. See, if jumbling is there means your thoughts. It's a good thing, Vishal. Excellent. Without thoughts, you can't jumble. Those who are not jumbling, no, means either the concept is very clear cut to them, or they are not studied. Okay, they are thinking, let us do later. It is the first step of success, Vishal. So don't stop here. If you stop here, you are going to lose. You keep in continuation, you yourself will feel, yes, now I can do that. So it is a sign that you are working, Vishal. It's a good thing. Work more time. Work repeatedly. Don't expect only one time I work and I should get a success. Everybody's number of repetition necessary to remember, necessary to get the perfectness will be different. Don't go on that number and don't try to pretend to become others. Okay, that student can remember by reading only 2 times. I'll remember by 2 times reading. No, don't go on that. You are you. You are different. You are unique in the world. And you can win. You can do the things. Believe yourself. But if because of confusion, if you started to unbelieve yourself, if you started to confuse yourself, then you are the killer of yourself. Vishal, are you following what I'm saying? Okay, Vishal, the just one example I'd given. It may be possible for others. So you go through them and practice. Actually work. This is a topic where actually you have to work, actually you have to play with the molecule, actually you have to perform the various operations, actually you have to compare the various operations. Then only you will understand that. The simple task is there, very simple task, nothing difficult is there. But practice you have to do. If you are thinking that only by listening you could do, no, Vishal, maybe you are the kinesthetic person. Means when you do the thing, then you will remember the things. So you do the things, you will remember. Change the method of your studying. Nisha saying, can you get some sample question just to know how answer them? That I'm discussing, Nisha. Last day is there. That is only for that. I think Dapoli College on their website, they have the question papers. You search the question papers. I am discussing them. Randomly, which is the question paper you say, we will discuss those questions. Each and every question came in the question paper last few years only. That we will have to discuss. So Nisha, you have to work. Visit Dapoli College website and get the question papers. Or you visit your college and get the question papers. And if somebody is working, work for me. Collect questions of only molecular symmetry and group theory. And collect all questions. And when next lecture will be there, afterwards you ask question, how to answer this question. I told you, I was doing that, you might have not went through. Therefore, I told you whatever 2.1 and 2.2 questions possible are. Just see whether I am true or not. Out of these two, optical activity and dipole moment, one at least is there. Sometimes both I ask. And out of group, subgroup, class, multiplication table, abelian, non-abelian, one aspect comes. At least one aspect comes. Sometimes two also comes. Means from 2.2, one or two questions to come. These points themselves are self-explanatory. Those themselves are questions. Whatever I said, you validate. You are the science student. So you have to work on that and then tell me whether I am correct or not. Nisha, is the answer clear?
Sir,
Gaurav.
in group multiplication table, only table is sufficient, or some points were added with this?
Yeah. Question comes generally. Construct the multiplication table, not draw the multiplication table or write the multiplication table. So you have to demonstrate. You have to explain how that multiplication came. Not, for example, if C3 point group, then 36 multiplication not necessary to do. Few sample examples you can give, and you should know to remember multiplication table. So one video I prepared separately for mnemonics, separately for memorization. So explanation for few operations you will give, and then you can say, likewise, this multiplication table can be constructed. So procedure is known to you, and you are showing the construction, you are showing the design, you are showing the results. So final answer. So I repeat the answer for the question of the Gaurav. What exactly is expected? You have to show the multiplications of few operations, and you have to construct slowly multiplication table, and you can say at last, likewise, we can follow the procedure and complete multiplication table will be in this way. So all 36 operations, if C3 is asked, then you have to show. Gaurav, is answer clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And for that, you can draw, for NH3 molecule, steering you have to draw that inverted Y and not, and then you have to work with that assumption. First make clear and show that. Once examiner understands that, okay, you know the concept, then you will answer. And in net examination, only that multiplication table question is possible. Among this, for net examination, if you ask me, only multiplication table point is there and point group concept. Their questions may possible. But they don't have simple questions. They are somewhat tricky questions. Usual option. And 2.3 point is there. No, from that question for net and gate will start. It's actually group 3 starts there. That's the next syllabus. Gaurav, is the answer clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, any more question? Meanwhile, I give the planning to you. See, today 8 videos I publish. I publish openly. I publish in your stream. That's MSc Part 1 stream. And further 8 videos are coming. For matrices, videos are prepared. Matrices are used to represent the actions, to show the actions. About the videos are complete. And next part, character table preparation or Mulliken's notations, that I am going to cover. I am going to prepare. It will take further 2 to 3 days. I say 26. I am trying my best to complete up to 26 or maybe up to 27. You will get the videos, remaining videos. Means 16 videos they are getting to study up to what? 8th of February. There again, we will ask the questions. We will do the revision. Means there only revision we have to do. But preparation, you have to do. Vishal, preparation, you have to do. If you expect that here you will understand the things, no, here you will revise the things. Here you recall whether symmetric transformation, whether commutativity law, whether inverse is there, or whether closure is there, whether associativity law is there. That you have to revise only. It's the recalling only. I'm helping you to recall. I'm helping you to remember. It's only my role. Yeah. So from my side, I had given the instructions. Am I clear from my instructions?
Yes, sir.
Objective of this lecture was in order to give you confidence of 2.1 and 2.2. If you are not got, you work. If any question remains, you ask after 15 days. And preparation for 2.3, you start. And as I said, notes, that's a rough notes are there. Don't go on. Their mistakes also are there because there at the time what happened, mattress bracket also I was not knowing. Now I learned how to get the bracket for the mattresses. So during preparation, I have used that bracket. So such mistakes are there. So you have to understand that, and then you can study those notes. But for points, at least will help. Detail points, you have to go through videos. For hint only, you go to the notes that I'm uploading within half an hour. I'll upload the notes. Word file is there that I'll upload in the classroom. And it's my urge, it's a request to you, complete assignments. Further assignments are coming. So complete assignment, don't show lethargicness. Last time 100 students were there. Now 68 students are there. Students are less. Students are decreased. If I am wrong anywhere, you can tell. You can inform. Otherwise, if they are happy with the YouTube and all, then no problem. But discussion always matters. Clarifying the doubts always matters. So I am asking question to, yes, Gaurav is saying, what is the timing of next lecture? Yes. What do you want? This 5 PM will do. If anybody want change, then we'll, otherwise we'll keep in continuation. Okay, and one good thing I found, few were with one mobile, only one's not there. 5 to 6 students are there. Hope those are the MSc students. The persons were there, and hope all are what the MSc students. If such things are also, then it's a good thing, because somewhere students stays in a group, no? Yeah, it's a good thing. But study. My intention is that you should study, and my role is to give you confidence. Your role is to work. Yes, this time only we will work. If anybody has want to change, then only just tell. Otherwise, this time at next lecture will be at 5 PM. 8th of February, 5 PM. An important point. Character table we are covering there. So study that. Study that, then you will get the confidence. Yes. So my objective was to give you confidence about 2.1 and 2.2. Is that objective fulfilled? Just give answer for today's lecture. Yes, unmute and talk also. A few students, if they could not chat. Okay, here's in chat box, everything is good. Okay, many are replying. See, still few students are there. They are lethargic to reply. This action-oriented personality may not be. If it is there, then difficulties will be there. Yeah, you should be the more action-oriented. Okay, good. Okay. If question is there, ask. Otherwise, we will wind the lecture. I'm waiting for further 5 seconds for your question. Hope you will study. If you have not studied, and 2.3 also study. Study material is coming very soon. About study material also, if you want to give any suggestions, we are free to give suggestions. Yeah. Now question, last question. Shall we wind? Shall we stop?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, only 2 replies. Okay, 3 replies. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.